What's going on, everybody? I'm Josh with FOCO Reviews, and today I'm introducing the 2021 VW Tiguan. This is the premium SEL R-Line version of the Tiguan. And your first impressions might be that it looks like a mini Atlas, which it pretty much does. Instead, though, of having a V6, it houses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbocharged TSI engine that produces 184 horsepower and 224 foot-pounds of torque. So while the Atlas is classy and sophisticated, the Tiguan is, well, an absolute blast. And there's no turbo lag, or at least none that I can feel. This thing zips around like a sugar-charged 4-year-old. This thing is great. All right, let me slow down and give it another go. Turn around here. And look at that turning radius. VW's electromechanical steering all at work. All right, let's give it another shot. Woo! This thing is fantastic.
Whether VW intended to or not, the Tiguan has an air of playfulness. Its dapper yet tempered interior and its more traditional exterior cannot hide the childlike zest that flows through its steel veins.
Here we are again in the back seat, and I have to admit, the Tiguan's back seats are probably the most comfortable that I've experienced on any vehicle thus far. They just feel great. Plus you get 2 charging ports, so I don't know, maybe I'll plug my phone in, listen to a little Enya, and take a nap.
The Tiguan comes stacked with sophisticated technology such as rain-sensing wipers, heated side mirrors, a large wireless charging pad, motion-activated liftgate, and a panoramic sunroof.
So I've recently decided that the Tiguan is like the IKEA of vehicles. You just have little slots and things like that everywhere. Here's an example. So I open up this back piece, and as you can see, there is the spare tire. But if you notice what I'm holding, this is the privacy shade that can be stored away when not in use. That's pretty cool. Here's another thing that you don't normally have on small SUVs. Can you see it? That's a 3rd row. No, seriously. I'm gonna get back there. Well, it's about as comfortable as traveling in an airplane luggage compartment. But if you ever need them, they're here.
Other conveniences include proximity unlocking door handles, heated seats, memory seats, and a unique overhead view camera.
I really wanted to highlight this feature because I haven't seen it anywhere else. Not only can you see the vehicle from a bird's eye perspective, but you can go into 3D mode, or as I like to call Thumbelina mode, and view the car from all angles. That's positively magnificent. Another cool thing about the infotainment system is that it's motion activated. Let me show you. As I reach for it, suddenly the options show up. Let me do it again. That's almost spooky.
This top-of-the-line Tiguan Premium SEL R-Line is stacked with features like these. For example, it has a custom drive mode to allow you to change the way the vehicle performs on or off-road. Next, customizable blind spot detection allows you to increase or decrease the brightness so that it doesn't become a distraction. And lastly, the lower windshield is heated to assist with removing snow or ice before you turn your defrost on.
So as you can probably tell, I really like the Tiguan, but it isn't perfect. This all-wheel drive model averages around 24 miles to the gallon, which is a little disappointing for a $41,000 vehicle. Kind of takes me back to my childhood when I saved up $100 to purchase an RC car, only to find out later that batteries were sold separately.
The SEL Premium R-Line definitely isn't cheap. However, VW has an answer for that. The most popular option for the Tiguan is leasing, 24, 36, or 48 months. It puts you in a brand new vehicle with all the safety and comfort benefits for less than financing. Right now, Greeley Volkswagen is having their Sign and Drive event. 0 down and no first payment, you can lease a Tiguan for as low as $253 a month. This offer is good through April 30th, 2021. Check out GreeleyVolkswagen.com for details.
Not only that, the benefits of leasing means that you're always covered under the 5-year or 50,000-mile warranty. That means you don't have to worry about Murphy's Law randomly showing up on year 6 and raining on your parade.
Whether you are interested in leasing or not, the Tiguan is an engineering marvel. Fuel economy aside, it is equipped with modern technology that hasn't even been considered by other brands. For example, the adaptive front lighting system combined with light assist means that your Tiguan adjusts the brightness and direction of the headlights to better illuminate the road. Synthetic beeswax is lined inside the door panels to dampen road noise, and the electromechanical steering system mentioned earlier measures the vehicle's speed to improve turning response and reduce fuel consumption. VW is always on the cutting edge of automotive technology.
And let's not forget the most important characteristic. It's absolutely sensational to drive.
Thank you for watching this 2021 VW Tiguan walk-around video. Please like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Special thanks to The Source for music utilized in this video.